NURBS surfaces can be handy for precision modeling. Add a NURBS surface by going to Add Surface NURBS Curve. Be careful that you don't go to the wrong menu. Under Active Spline options, check Endpoint U and V. Select vertices and then press E to extrude a surface. Grow the influence of the vertices on the surface area by increasing the order U and V values. This makes the surface more smooth. To add more detail, select the vertices, right-click and choose Subdivide. You can use a mirror modifier as long as these settings are enabled. To add thickness to the surface, add a solidify modifier.